Yo, Abusinya Memo Bibia Aquaba BM. Today is a wonderful brand new day that the Lord has made it for us. Yes. Today match on board. Yes. And ne match which is Man City any Wolves. Yes. Match at no. And then maybe the tactical analysis. Yes. The tactical analysis are young consider for this game. Any match no ending of the match no the ebesi ending of the match no we say yen share that aspect no kakra bi aha aim strategy h and then they can message so be subscribe to channel no e dey amami abusuas ye de ni echire mu Premier Leagues now Premier Leagues 8 on the year of 20th October. Yes, 20th October 2024. Man City any Wolf Asia na omushia no Man City winning 2-1 2-1. Yes, and other winning no. Now you call on the 4th May 2024. Almost say she match the 36. Yes, Man City me Wolves etwa na chika enum. Yes, and no oman 5-1 5-1. Yes, and I yeba analysis baako a me pese ye di gina so e dey predict in the game ne matches no how a ebesi akona ye share on 30th September 2023 na Premier League day 7 ade say Man City ene Wolf Asia na Wolf ni 2-1. Yes, o ni 2-1 ewo no na yewram enso ewo 22nd June. Yes, 22nd January. Yes, 22nd January 2023. Na eno so match day 21. Na akwet say Man City Timichi Wolves 3-0. Yes, and 17th September 2022. And also mushia Emma Man City etimi 3-0. Yes, 3-0. But per the analysis we na me dey ama no prediction and emetimi e dey akọ e dey ama di enti a make sa no o hwe sisi of current form ekuta Man City say who grading as percentage Man City e wo 87%. Ni nyina ne say matches a wabọ no watimi awene emu 4 na wa draw 1. Yes, na say team bia ntimi mfa na tiko enka form ene wababa draw. And I heard Wolf, and so what they saying former Ekutan this time around now on about 5 matches we winning in say de sa analysis we no betu dwa utimi say yes ade say Man City ade na emom otimi fa Wolf fala ene game na ebesie no otimi emfa Wolf fala na per the analysis kono utimi say ene yenhwe anim say match a mo bebo no ebetimi draw ebetimi abam enu nti no ya stick betting no ya twa bet no yen consider wasane ma no ene obetimi atwa ne say Man City win or draw. Yes, Man City win or draw. Man City betimi awene but enye easy man sa no ena de betimi asi enso final no draw. Yes, win or draw Man City. Correct score ewo match we mu nso say onbebo draw there na me expect say correct score betimi afri mu aba 2-2 or 1-1. Yes, 2-2 or 1-1. Abusia omama off nenso ye be ya to aso 2-2 or 1-1. That is the correct score. Yensa aka. Yes, 2-2 or 1-1. Inti ene Man City versus Wolf. Na say prediction amede to dwan draw or Man City win. Na Man City be win but enye easy into draw or Man City win. Makro bibia say watch video yi. Say nani di kan message say subscribe to channel no edi amame. Me da wase. Nkane ande omu dundum ne pa but I no stop here. What you say? Bye bye.